Welcome. Today, we're diving into the dazzling world of Indian weddings. These aren't just events, they're epic festivals bursting with color, music, and joy. The celebrations last for days, bringing families together in a whirlwind of tradition. At the center of it all is the bride, the star of the show. On her wedding day, she wants to look and feel extraordinary. That's where the magic of makeup comes in. Indian bridal makeup isn't just about beauty, it's a cherished tradition. Each brushstroke connects the bride to her heritage and family. Passed down through generations, this ritual is a moment of calm before the festivities. The makeup artist, like a master sculptor, transforms the bride into a vision of elegance. Every color and line tells a story, celebrating her new journey. It's about confidence, culture, and creating an unforgettable moment. The final touch completes the stunning picture of the Indian bride. It's a bit like gromit's nod when everything comes together perfectly. Indian bridal makeup is an art form, a celebration of love and tradition. It's the crowning moment before the grand party begins. So let's roll up our sleeves and explore this vibrant world. Get ready for a feast of color, creativity, and culture. The transformation is about to begin. Let's step into the magic of the big Indian wedding. Before the masterpiece, we need a flawless canvas. For the bride, that means glowing, healthy skin. The first step? Skincare, absolutely essential. It starts with cleansing to remove any dirt or oil. Next, a toner refreshes and tightens the skin, prepping it for what's next. Moisturizer follows, hydrating the skin for a smooth, radiant base. Think of it as priming clay before sculpting. No cracks allowed. Finally, a primer is applied to blur pores and help makeup last all day. This invisible layer keeps everything in place through hours of celebration. Each step ensures the makeup glides on seamlessly and stays fresh. Skincare isn't just routine, it's the foundation of the entire look. With the skin prepped, the bride is ready for her transformation. It's a ritual of self-care and anticipation. The right prep means the makeup will look flawless from the first photo to the last dance. Every detail matters on this special day. The canvas is set, and the magic is about to happen. Now, let's bring on the color. The transformation continues. With the skin prepped, it's time to build the base. Foundation and concealer even out the complexion, creating a flawless surface. The foundation is carefully matched to the bride's skin tone for a natural look. Blending is key. No harsh lines, just seamless beauty. Concealer works its magic on any spots or dark circles, perfecting the canvas. Once the base is set, a light dusting of powder locks everything in place. This step keeps the makeup fresh and matte through hours of ceremonies and dancing. The powder acts like a protective shield, ensuring the bride looks radiant all day. It's a simple but crucial step, like varnishing a finished model. Now, the face is ready for the artistry to begin. The transformation is well underway. Every detail is designed for longevity and perfection. The bride's skin glows, ready for the next layer of beauty. The base is the unsung hero of the bridal look. With the canvas perfected, it's time to add drama and color. The stage is set for the eyes to take the spotlight. Let's move on to the most expressive feature. The eyes await their moment. The eyes, where the magic truly happens. For Indian brides, eye makeup is bold, dramatic, and unforgettable. Rich shades like gold, bronze, and maroon make the eyes pop. An eyeshadow primer ensures vibrant color and all-day wear. Multiple shades are blended for depth and dimension. A sharp, winged eyeliner defines the eyes, creating that classic almond shape. Kohl lines the waterline for intensity and tradition. Lashes are curled and coated with mascara for volume and length. Many brides opt for false lashes for extra glamour. The result? Eyes that captivate and tell a story without words. Every detail is crafted for maximum impact. The eyes become the centerpiece of the bridal look. It's artistry and tradition in perfect harmony. The transformation is striking and unforgettable. With the eyes complete, the bride is ready to shine. The next step, a pop of color for the cheeks and lips. Let's finish the masterpiece. With dramatic eyes, it's time to balance the face with color. Blush adds a healthy glow, peach, coral, or rosy pink for warmth. A touch of highlighter brings a radiant, dewy finish to the high points of the face. Now the lips, another showstopper. Bold reds are traditional, symbolizing love and prosperity. Deep maroons, berries, or bright pinks are also popular, often matching the bridal outfit. Lip liner defines the shape and keeps the color in place. Matte, long-lasting lipstick ensures the bride's smile stays perfect all day. Every detail ties the look together, from cheeks to lips. The colors are chosen to complement the bride's attire and personality. The result is a harmonious, vibrant look. The bride's features are enhanced, never overshadowed. It's all about balance and elegance. The finishing touches bring the whole look to life. The transformation is nearly complete. The bride is ready for her grand entrance. Just one more step to perfection. Let's add the final flourishes. Makeup done. But the transformation isn't complete without jewels and hair. Indian bridal jewelry is grand. Gold, gemstones, and intricate designs. Necklaces, jhumka earrings, bangles, nose rings, and the iconic mang tika adorn the bride. Each piece has cultural significance and adds to the regal look. Hairstyles are elegant and strong, often buns or braids decorated with flowers and ornaments. The hair must support heavy jewelry and the bridal veil. Regional styles add unique touches, from Punjabi chuda to South Indian jada. Every detail is steeped in tradition and artistry. The final look is a blend of heritage and personal style. The bride is now a vision of splendor. And there it is, the masterpiece revealed. Every element, from glowing skin to sparkling jewels, comes together in harmony. Indian bridal makeup is bold, rich, and steeped in tradition. It's a celebration of culture, confidence, and new beginnings. The transformation is more than skin deep. It's emotional and empowering. The bride radiates joy, pride, and love. Her look is timeless, regal, and unforgettable. The true magic is how it makes her feel, cherished and beautiful. On her grand day, she shines brighter than ever. That's the magic of Indian bridal makeup, absolutely smashing.